Hello again, I'm Jane Willingale of Silverzone Printables. Welcome to another video in my series of Affinity Photo tips. And if that kind of thing interests you, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be sure not to miss these kind of videos when I post them. Here is a method for picking out an image from the background to use for various purposes really. In this instance I want to use a mock-up for a digital planner, and I wasn't happy with the software I was using to create it. It wasn't creating the right image, so I thought I would put it on my own iPad and take my own pictures. Now you can see in the background I've got the linen basket, I've got a chest of drawers. I don't want any of that to be in the actual picture. So I've brought the image into Affinity Photo, which has this really nice feature called a selection brush. So over on the left hand side here, just below the crop tool, there is a tool called the selection brush tool, which I'm going to select. And you literally just drag it across the item that you want to pull out of the background. This is quite an easy one. It's got nice straight edges. I've done things more complicated with flowers with wavy edges, and you just reduce the size of the brush and spend a little bit more time pulling out the image that you want. Now if you've made a mistake or you've gone further than you want, like you can see in this area here, you press the Alt button and you can literally nudge it around the edges to be a little bit tighter. And if that still doesn't work and you've got a really nasty edge, you can click this refine button, which allows you to then go around the outside and paint along the straight lines or wavy lines and make the edge that much neater, and then you click apply. So that's tidied it up really well. I mean, it wasn't that bad to start with, but if you had, say, somebody's head with hair flying everywhere, that refine brush really does do a good job. So now I want to make the background blurred so you can't see what's in it. So I'm going to press Control, Shift and I, which reverses the selection. And then I'm going to select Filters and Blur and Gaussian Blur, which I've already got set to this level, but as I move the slider you can see the difference it makes to that background image, and that's about roughly what I want. Now you can see it's just a blurred background and you've not really got any idea what's there. Click apply, and because I can see a couple of bits I've missed down here, I'm going to click Control Shift I again and reverse back and just take those bits out. There we go. So I'm happy with that. So to take the selection off, you press Control D, and now you have an image with a blurred background and the front piece standing out exactly as I wanted it. So I would now save that as a fairly small JPEG file and use that on my website and wherever else I wanted to use the image as promotion. So I hope that helps.